In this video, I'll guide you through how to add date fields in DocuSign so your recipients can clearly see when they've signed a document. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to drag, and how to assign the date to the right person. First, start by opening your document in the DocuSign editing view. This usually happens right after you upload a file, and add your recipients when DocuSign takes you into the area where you can place fields on the page. If you're already in DocuSign and looking at the document summary or recipient list, look for the option to edit or prepare the document. That will bring you into the editing view where you actually place all the fields the signer will interact with. Once you're in the editing view, you'll see your document pages in the main area and a panel of different field options off to one side. This is where you'll find things like signature fields, initials, text boxes, check boxes, and also the date fields. The date that's automatically generated by DocuSign when someone signs is called the date signed field, and that's the one you want to use here. Look through the list of fields until you see the option labeled date signed. It might be grouped with other standard fields like name or email. Click on date signed once to select it. When you do this, your cursor will usually change, or you'll see a small field ready to be placed. Now, click and drag that date signed field onto your document. Move it to the exact location where you want the signing date to appear. A common place is directly under or next to the signature field, or in a date line that's already printed on the document. As you drag, you can line it up with any existing text or boxes on the page. When you're happy with the placement, let go of the mouse to drop the field in place. You can always click and drag again to fine-tune the position, or use the handles around the field to resize it if needed. If your document needs multiple date fields, for example, one for each signer, you can repeat this process as many times as you like. Just select date signed again, drag another copy to the right spot, and position it where it should go. The last key step is to make sure each date signed field is assigned to the correct recipient. Every field in DocuSign needs to be linked to someone so DocuSign knows who should complete it. With the date signed field selected, check the recipient dropdown usually at the top of the editing panel. Choose the signer who will be responsible for that signature and date. If you have more than one signer, repeat this for each date signed field, making sure the field next to each signature is assigned to the matching recipient. Once all your date fields are placed and correctly assigned, you're ready to send your document. When your recipients open it, DocuSign will automatically fill in those date signed fields with the exact date and time they complete their signatures, keeping everything clear, consistent, and legally traceable.